In this lab, we want to explore the chemistry of mixing two ions together in solution. And what we want to do is to make very accurate observations and record exactly what we see. So we started out with a yellow-colored solution, and then we're going to add drop-wise, initially just 1 or 2 drops of the second solution. As we do that, take a moment to record an observation and see what you get. I would say that as we add the first drops, we see an immediate precipitate form, and the color of that precipitate is a rust brown color. As we add more of this second solution, we get more precipitate, and as we add even more of the second solution, we see that there's really no further chemistry occurring. The precipitate I would describe as a heavy precipitate, and you can see some evidence that it's starting to settle out. Here is another example of mixing two solutions together. And again, see if you could even pause the video perhaps to make your own observations and then compare with mine. We start off with a blue-purple solution, and as we add a few drops of the second solution, you can see, if we look carefully, that there's definitely some chemistry occurring. There's the formation of a precipitate, and the precipitate is a greenish color. And as we add more of the second solution, you can see that initially we appear to be making more precipitate, but then as we add even more of the second solution, we find that the precipitate appears to dissolve, leaving a bluish green or dark green color solution. And I would record all those observations in my notebook. Sometimes when adding more of the second solution, some more chemistry can occur. And it's appropriate to think of that as two separate chemical reactions. The first chemical reaction perhaps forming a precipitate, and the second chemical reaction dissolving that precipitate to form a new product.